How to send picture on email. Hi everyone, in this video I'll be showing you the ways to send picture on email. So in that case, first of all, make sure that your device is connected to an internet service, and then to begin with, go ahead and open up your Gmail application. So when you open up a Gmail application, this is how it's going to look like. So here, go ahead and tap on the compose button from the bottom right hand side corner. First thing, enter in the receiver's address. So I'm going to send it to the following receiver. So this is the one. When you type in the address, now enter in the subject, and as per the compose email, you can just go ahead and type in any subject that you wish to. And in order to add a picture or send a picture, click on the paperclip icon from the top right hand side corner, and then you can go ahead and insert it from the drive or attach a file. So I'm going to go with attach a file, and when I go ahead and access the file, now from here you can go ahead and select the one that you wish to send it and click the arrow icon from the top right hand side corner, and the message has been sent. And along with that, you've successfully sent picture on email. So that's how you can send picture on email. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.